Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today we are taking our time to clean gizzard properly. Yes, no shortcut. This method will leave your gizzard fresh, clean and ready to enter stew, jollof or kebab. Let's go step by step together. So I started off by cutting the packaging with scissors. Easy and neat. This gizzard is still frozen and that actually makes the works easier, trust me. If you have done this before, you know frozen gizzard peels way better than when it's soft and slimy. Frozen or not, just separate them one by one and we'll take it from there. So on the packaging, it is written on it that this is thoroughly clean and perfect, but as you can see, there are still some yellow lining and also some fat on it which needs to be taken off. Trust me, we don't need that in our cooking, so gently trim them off with a sharp knife, or we also going to use our hands as well. If you find it difficult using the knife, kindly feel free to use your hands and you are good to go. So now let's separate each one of it from each other, just the way you're seeing it on the screens right now. And as you can see, this is having some yellow lining and also some fatty part on it which needs to be taken off. All right, so now we're going to be using a knife to take them off and also our hands as well. Either way, that works perfectly fine for you. You can use it. Now while that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Someone will ask, why is it necessary to clean gizzard properly? My dear, you need to take off all the fatty parts and the yellow lining from it. For the yellow lining, it's very tough and it's not edible. So leaving it on can affect the taste and also the texture of your food. Trust me on this one. So I cut the gizzard open lengthwise carefully and used my thumb to peel off the yellow skin. You can also use your knife, but gently to avoid cutting into the fresh skin. Use your hands and you are good to go. This part is very important and it is most of the time, so take your time and do it properly, because at the end you're going to love the outcome and you're going to also enjoy your meat properly and very deliciously. So now let's repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. And so whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now just look at how clean and neat they look already. Even before deep cleaning, no yellow, no fat, pure meat. That's what we want, trust me. Now that everything is peeled and trimmed nicely, I'll transfer them into a clean bowl for deep cleaning. So here I sprinkle in some vinegar, a bit of salt and also some fresh lemon or lime. This lime was looking a little bit old, but trust me, it was fresh inside, so you don't have to mind the body but mind the engine rather. That was just by the way. You can squeeze the juice on the meat to get the best results, but since I already have some vinegar in it, no need for that. I just leave it inside. I'll add in more water to it and I'll allow it to soak or sit in the water for a few minutes, then I'll start to rinse it off. Do this at least 3 to 4 times and you're going to see with each wash the water becomes cleaner and the gizzard looks cleaner as well. Don't rush this part. Just like washing rice or consomme, you need to get it just right. Clean food, clean flavor. Trust me on this one. If you are someone who struggles with smell or taste in gizzard, this method will change your game. Trust me. No funky scents, no leftover skin, just clean and tender gizzard ready for cooking. Now take a look. Our gizzard are fresh, clean and ready for cooking. Whether you are making spicy gizzard stew, grilling them for kebabs or adding to jollof, this is the best base you can start with. Thanks for spending time with me today. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Cooking with Efya. Let me know in the comment section how you like your gizzard prepared. And stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you how to season and cook it to perfection. Thank you for watching this video and see you. Bye.